So here we have the bird dog. Get down on all fours. You want to be in kind of like the cat-cow position as far as yoga goes. We're going to do the alternating hand and the alternating leg at the same time, and we're going to do a hold. So I'm going to first do my left arm and my right leg. I'm going to put them both out, give it a little hold, and that's one. Then we're going to switch. 2. You can also, instead of alternating, we can keep doing all on one side. Probably helps with balance a little bit. But that's the bird dog.